In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert screen into mockup in Figma, Craftwork Mockups. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional mockup ready to share or present using the Craftwork Mockups plugin right inside Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to your project. Open the file that contains the design you want to showcase. If you have multiple frames or pages, pick the specific screen you plan to place into a mockup so you know exactly what you're working with. Before you jump in, make sure your images are RAW ready. That means having a clear export of your screen, ideally in PNG or JPG format with a resolution that matches or exceeds the mockup size. Higher quality images will look sharper and more realistic. It's also helpful to keep your files organized so you can quickly find the right image when the plugin asks for it. Now, let's launch the plugin. Open Figma's Quick Actions and search for the Mockup plugin by name. When you see the Craftwork Mockups plugin, select it and choose Run Here so it opens in your current file. This brings up the plugin panel with a variety of template options tailored to different devices and styles. Feel free to browse the templates and pick the one that fits the look you're going for, whether it's a laptop, phone, or another device frame. Click the template you want to use. Inside that template view, you'll notice a plus button on the image placeholder. Click the plus button to add your screen. Select your image from your computer and drop it into the placeholder. The plugin will load it into the mockup and show cropping and alignment tools. Take a moment here to crop your image to match the mockup screen area. Drag to position, scale to fill the frame, and make sure important content isn't cut off at the edges. If your screen has a different aspect ratio, prioritize fitting it without stretching. A small crop is better than a distorted image. Once everything looks aligned and natural, click Paste. The plugin will insert the finished mockup into your Figma canvas right in the file you're working on. From there, you can move it, resize it, or place it alongside the rest of your design system and presentation frames. That's it. You opened Figma, prepared your screen, ran the Craftwork Mockups plugin, chose a template, added your image, cropped and aligned it, and pasted the final mockup into your project. Keep your source images high resolution, choose templates that match your screen's proportions, and you'll get polished results every time.